Alright, what's up Zero Gain? So, today I'm going to be unboxing the new Samsung Note 10 Plus. Not just the standard, it's the 10 Plus. I just kind of hit the gym, so my arms are a little sore. But yeah, so I'm going to be unboxing it. We're going to see exactly how much space it has, how much RAM, how much processing power. We're going to look at the specs. They say it's the best phone in the world. Is it really the best phone in the world? Hopefully it is, because I spent way too much money on getting it. So guys, I'm really excited. I pre-ordered this phone a little bit ago. I've been waiting for it the entire time. Luckily I get it a day early, so I get to kind of share it with you guys, so you guys can see if it's worth getting, if it's not worth getting. Do you need the Plus? Is the Plus worth it? Do you need not 200, but do you need 520 gigabytes of space? Is that too much? Do you need half a terabyte of space? I don't know. But we're gonna find out today if you need it. If you're new to the channel, make sure you guys subscribe, like the video. Have any questions, make sure you guys put the comments in below. So I'm gonna unbox it for you now, guys. Like I said, I'm super stoked. Let's get into it. Let's see exactly what the phone looks like. Unfortunately, the phone that I got, we don't get all the fancy colors, but we do have supposedly the best phone in the world. So yeah, let's check it out, guys. All right, guys. So this is it. It comes in this box. I can't flip around the other way because I did. You guys can see my address, and I'm gonna be stalked more than I already am. So yeah, this is exactly how it looks. Comes in this type of box right here. I'll do this so you guys can see my address, but looks like that. So comes in this box right here. They put a little piece of tape on the side here, one tape here, then one tape here. So hopefully there's some cushion in there, because I really don't want to get a damaged phone that would defeat the purpose, especially with how expensive it is. We got our trusty dusty knife. It's just a little rusted, so I used to have a box cutter, but I don't know where it's at anymore. So we're just gonna kind of do this little Chicago style. All right, open this little Chicago style. Hopefully we don't damage the phone. So if I can get it out. I'm really weird. I don't like opening boxes from both sides. It's like I want to open it from one side. I don't want to open it from a bunch of different sides. But all right, so. Came in this box here. We don't need that anymore. And then this is the box here. Of course, I'm with AT&T. You have to be with AT&T. So we got some paper here. Activate now. Activate now. I don't know if it's really important or not. My address. You guys don't need to see that. And then we got some more paper here, telling me how much it costs. So this phone costs, normally it's like 1,500 I was told, but for me it's 1,290 and 29 cents. So that's how much the phone costs, after taxes and everything, also with shipping. So I got it a little bit cheaper. I don't know if that's like the base price, or I don't know if it's because of the word for it, a while ago or whatever, but that's the price. So if you guys were wondering about that, we got a piece of tape here, piece of tape here. I kind of like the box style. The box looks very professional. You guys can see there the Note 10. I have to flip this one. There you go. I think I actually had it right the first time. So you see there the Note 10, Galaxy Note 10, Samsung Galaxy Note 10. So yeah, let's get into it, man. Let's see what this is about. Also, guys, I got this by the window because I like natural light. I could often put like just some basic lights on, but I like the natural light. I think the natural light looks a lot better than the camera. I was trying to figure out how to record this for you guys, because the way my complex is set up is really weird. We have like a really big window right here, so a screen door right here, so I thought the lighting would be really nice for us. We'll get this thing open. Hopefully I don't open the phone drops on me. I keep thinking about stuff like that. When you get a new phone, you be so shy with it. But it's the cover like that. So very nice and close to you guys. The cover like that. Has a thin piece of layer over it. I can get the phone out. they have everything like very tightly placed together. They have everything very, very tight placed together. I like it though. I like it. It's a pretty big phone. It says it can wait for distractions, so it can wait. Distracted driving is never okay. So guys, no distracted driving. All right, it can wait. Remember that. So, man, the phone looks nice. The phone looks really nice. The phone looks really nice. Look at that. The phone looks really, really nice, man. That is shiny, dude. That is shiny. As you do the case for it, but so yeah, it looks like this. Man, it looks really, really nice. I'm gonna give you guys some information, but I'm not gonna give you guys any information. But yeah. So has one lens in the front, one camera lens in the front. So you guys can really see it, but one camera lens in the front, right there, at the very top. And then it's really shiny. Then it has 3 cameras in the back, right here. And if you guys do a little research, those 3 cameras actually do something too. Then it has the camera that increases the photons, at least from what I've read. Yeah, you guys can see my Marvel's Capcom in the background. But yeah, so this is how the phone looks. All right, we'll get into that in just one second. I know that's the main part of the video, but let's just talk about the integrity of the packaging. Right? So got this little piece to protect it. Open this. Right, open this. Let's see what we get here. Got a booklet that I won't be reading. You guys can probably read that. We get a booklet. This device is packaged with a screen protector. Wait, what? You get a screen protector with it automatically? Hold up. So it says this device is packaged with a screen protector. If you remove it and want to use a different screen protector, make sure to allow for use of all touchscreen features. So I have a screen protector. Wait, this phone has a screen protector? I can't be talking about this little thing. Okay, so I think this is super shiny, so like it reflects the light off of the camera, but you guys can see it. Like it's so shiny, man. You can barely tell anything. It's like so shiny. There's like this little piece right here, and like I think that's a screen protector. I think they're saying don't take that off. I'm taking mine off. I want a different screen protector, right? But still, that's really cool though to give us a screen protector. So it says, oh yeah, it's over here. Yeah, so this is the screen protector piece that comes with it. Right? And then transfer what's important. You guys are any bit of tech savvy. I assume the people that are watching this are somewhat tech savvy. And yeah, of course you can still transfer your data, but there's nothing surprising there. Transfer your data for that. I'm doing it too fast. You guys can just rewind the video. So it's all packaged like this. I'll show you guys. So it's all packaged just like this, nice and neat. And I'll tell you exactly what we're getting. So we're getting, I don't know what this is. If someone knows what it is, let me know in the comments. We get this little guy. I don't really know what this is. We got that little piece there. We get a metal rod. I don't know what this is either. I've never seen this in phones. We get this piece too. Alright. Oh, we get some headphones. Yeah, so we get some headphones. We'll be opening that, but we'll get some headphones. And it seems like it doesn't have an auxiliary cord anymore. So the phone doesn't have an auxiliary cord. Huh. Yeah. So the phone does not have an auxiliary cord, guys. So now, I don't know. Because if you guys, okay, so if you look, I'm really like weird on like opening the package, but if I have to show you guys, I will. But we have this little piece now. So if you look, this little piece right here, we have this little metal piece like it plugs in like a USB, not a USB, but a USC. It plugs in like a USC now, so we don't have auxiliary cords anymore. It plugs in like a USC. So yeah, no auxiliary cord. I don't know how you're gonna charge your phone to listen to music if you were gonna do that. I usually go Bluetooth. I go cordless anyway, but this is the basic charging base. Yeah. No, this is for phone to phone. You know, I'm just gonna open it for you guys because I think it makes it a little bit easier for you guys to see. I'm opening for you guys. Even though I hate opening stuff that I know I won't use, but I'm gonna open it for you guys. So you get this guy right here. The USB, the USC to USC. Probably will need this anyway, so I think I need to open this regardless. Okay, so you get your USC to USC, which is nice. USC to USC. So that's nice. You can transfer all your data from your phone. I'll show you guys the headsets too. I will never be using this, but because I always use Bluetooth. Because when I work out, it gets all tangled and starts strangling me and whatnot. And then this one fell. And then so you get this little piece in it too. This little guy right here. Got some hair in it because it fell on the floor, but yeah. So and then like I said, I get the USB-C to I guess listen to music, which is weird. So it'll go on your phone like this, just like that. It fits perfectly. So it goes in your phone like that. And it's also the actual cord itself is Velcro, which is really nice. Velcro is a very good, very good. So it won't get a short in it. Velcro cord, beautiful. I absolutely love that. Absolutely. Standard charging pack here. Standard charging pack. Nothing special about that. You guys know how that looks. What else we got here? We got the USB to USB to USC. So the USB slot here to the USC. That's pretty much all that comes in this box, what I can tell. Yeah, that's everything that comes in this box here. Still feels like something's in there, but probably the design of the box. Anyway, the most important part is let's turn on the phone, right? Let's turn on the phone. I'm already getting it dirty. I don't know how to turn on the phone. Let's see here. Just turn on the phone, right? So I'm gonna do the camera a little bit different for you guys, so you guys can see exactly what I'm doing on the phone. I think it makes it a lot easier for you guys. Okay, so I'm gonna do it like this for you guys, and you guys can kind of see it. I know I look sexy, but we're not looking at me. It's about the phone right now, so hopefully you guys can see the phone pretty well from this angle. It came on, so turned it on. It says let's go. You can see let's go. Let's see what we'll see. So insert you at a full battery. You can see it there. Insert you with a full battery. Can't wait to record on this thing. It's gonna look so much better for my videos. So insert you on a full battery. Let's start in English. Insert a SIM card. So I gotta insert a SIM card, and yeah, we'll get into exactly how awesome everything is in just a second. My SIM card is in this phone that I'm recording in, so we'll I gotta take out the SIM card, put it in this one, and yeah, we can continue the video. Alright, you guys, so something that's really important that you guys are going to need, especially if you pre-order your phone, you're gonna need one of these. This is actually for your watch. It's very small. But this is actually, I don't have some piece of hair on it. I have a dog, right? Don't judge me. But so it's really small. You're gonna need one of these because with these phones, luckily I have this. It would be literally impossible to open the SIM slot for your phone. So for instance, right, your SIM slot is up here. See that little piece up there? You can see it. This phone is so shiny, but that little piece right here, that is your phone SD card. I'm trying to make it focus in. I'm recording from a Galaxy Note 8. I used to record all my videos. I'll show you guys the quality difference to recording from the Galaxy Note 8 and the difference between the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. So like I said, this is the little piece here. You're gonna need this. So what you guys are gonna need to do, you're gonna need this. You're going to need to do this. So you put it in this itty bitty little hole. You have to press it. So I'm trying to make it easy for you guys to see it. I don't want to break it, but press it hard. And you see that thing slide out? And this is your SD card right here. I mean your SIM card, I apologize. Your SIM card. It's kind of tight in there. You see this little piece that slides out? This is very important, guys. If you don't have that little piece to press that little button, you would not be able to put your SD card, your SIM card, nothing. So let's put this in here now. I'm not really sure how it goes in there. Probably should look at that, but hopefully I'm putting it in there the right way. I don't know how it goes. This is lost to you guys, but I hope that I'm putting it in there the right way. It would suck if it was jammed, huh? I think I put it in the right way. It goes in like that, top. slide it back in there. It's kind of sliding out. I don't know what to put it in there. I have to turn it around the other way. It might just be kind of wobbly in there, but. So, it's sliding out, guys. Okay, so here we got it in there. Oh.
3 hours later.
Let's turn it around the other way and hopefully fits in nice and snug as a bug in a rug or a tug. Alright. Got it? You got it? Did we get it? I don't know. I'm gonna have to watch a YouTube tutorial. No, honestly though, yeah, I still wanna jam it. Oh shit. I don't wanna jam it in there.
7 hours later.
So what you do, it's really simple. You actually snap it in there. I know my focus keep messing up, but you snap it in there, alright? You snap it, you snap it in there. So it shouldn't even fall out. Yeah, see, it shouldn't fall out. So you snap it in there, guys. We figured it out. You snap it in there, and then you push it back in there. But you just gotta be careful, because when you push it back in there, so you should hear like the little clicking sound, and then you like just push it back. There. Okay. Woo! We did it. Alright, so it's back in there. Alright guys, so I just got my phone all set up. I'll show you how the screen looks. There isn't too much. I did figure out one thing. I'll show you guys at the end of the video. I feel very, very stupid right now. But I'll show you guys exactly how the screen looks. It looks absolutely amazing. I'll also show the settings, pretty much how much RAM it has. Like I said, it doesn't really have like 12 gigabytes of RAM, which is absolutely amazing. Of course, it has a Snapdragon processor. So it's really awesome. So I want to show you guys the screen right now. So this is a 4K video, and let's get lost in it. Looks absolutely beautiful. Yeah, this is actually my phone. It's not actually a video, but yeah, it's my phone showing a video. It looks absolutely beautiful, man. So yeah, the screen looks freaking amazing, dude. I'm pretty happy with it, and I'll show you guys the settings, and then I'll give you guys my final thoughts. So, does it have half a terabyte of memory? It does, as you can see there. Technically, it isn't really half a terabyte; it's a little bit less than that. But I mean, in the phone's defense, I did put all my information from my old phone to my new phone, so it probably was half a terabyte and a little bit more with this. To have 12 gigabytes of RAM, so it's a little tricky with this. I'm gonna clear all my apps out real quick. We'll see exactly what we're dealing with, because that doesn't really count. So let's bring it all up right now. So just freed up 2.9 gigabytes of RAM, and so we have 12. We really don't have 12, but it seems to use 4 just to operate. Might be a little less, because like I said, my phone's still like installing and stuff like that, but yeah guys, pretty much this is the whole thing. If you guys have any questions, or if I missed anything, please let me know. I will end the video with the camera from the Note 10 Plus, because it's absolutely beautiful. But before I do that, I do want to say one thing I do not like about this phone. That is so black. I mean, maybe when I get the case it'll be a little bit different, but the phone is so dark when it's like this. You can't really tell what's like the top and bottom. I'm pretty sure I'll figure that out eventually. You can't really tell what's the top and bottom, but that's another thing I kind of dislike. I don't know, like most of the day I've been picking it up upside down, but yeah, I'll show you guys the little piece I was telling you guys about that I went in the video, and I'll show you guys how awesome and amazing the camera is.